pomelo is in season right now in Malaysia. This cost me $10 or 10 ringgit. Or in Australia, it's about $3.50. One last piece for me to peel. Now, if you ask me, is this worth it? It's a lot of effort peeling this pomelo, but I'm going to show you how to make the pomelo salad. I have a little bit of lemongrass, red chili, kaffir lime leaves, and this is coriander leaves. If you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe and share with your friends and family. My name is Victor Q. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!